Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're watching this video from. Thank you for joining. This is Johnny's Word, and today I have an issue that I want to check. I want to diagnose, if I would use that word. This is a Toyota A91, and the last drive a few weeks ago that I had, I noticed some crackling sound from this front wheel, the left front wheel. So I'm gonna be diagnosing, I'm gonna be checking where the problem might be. So what do I need for now? First, to set some stones behind the wheels for it not to move. I don't need to set on that one, but I should set one here and another one here, and same on the other side. Same on the other side. Rambo, you wanna join me? You can join me. So here and the other side. So what do I need for that now? I need to check on the jack. So what do I need? I need a jack, a handle, and what else? Yes, here, let me show you. I need this, I need a handle, box spanner, just in case I need to bring down the wheel. So what do? We set the jack on a firm ground here. Make sure that it's on a firm and even ground. So we set it on a firm and even ground like this. And then make sure that it's well locked. Sure that it's well locked. And then at least screw it up like this. I see that there is some welding that needs to be done on this car. Then from there, you have this. And this is to bring it up. It's always good to make sure that it's centered. Bring it as high as possible. The moment the wheel leaves the ground, we are fine. So we have to do it until the wheel leaves the ground. It's almost leaving the ground. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, that is it. So my jack is perfectly working. So the wheel has left the ground. What else do we need? We need at least a tire, just for safety purposes. I have this tire here, which I'm gonna be using somewhere here. So we'll just put it there in case something happens on the jack face. The car will have to somewhere to land on. If I could get a piece of stone, just a piece of stone at least. For reinforcement. No, this looks big. This is big. So let me try and use this one. Here. Yes. That's far much better. So there won't be any impact. have to make sure that the wheel does not rotate. So how do you do that? Yeah, it's better. Still rotating. So guys, I have to bring it down. And then that I have to take off that and bring it down a bit. Yeah. And loosen the nuts. Yeah. There you go. This one is a bit tight. Let's loosen it more. So after that, make sure that our jack is well set and in the right position. Let's center it again. Yeah. And bring it up. Same process as before. Now that we are opening the wheel. Again, all the way up until it leaves the ground. The wheel leaves the ground completely. There you go. That's safe. And then our stone back in here, just for security purposes. So what do you do next? Finish what we started here. So now I can use this side of this. Yeah, guys. So all this process is just to see whether we can find what's making that kind of noise, a cracking sound when we're driving. You have one out. If it's something we can't fix, then we'll get a mechanic to fix it. A diagnosis is very important. Second one out. Third one out. There you go. 4 of them, guys. 4 of them. Zara, let me do my thing. Zara, move. thought I thought the brakes were the problem, but the brakes look intact, guys. So guys, as you can see, the brakes are okay. There is some good tension. The reason this tension is here, as I've always said, is because the brakes are supposed to be in a position whereby when you need them to be emergency brakes, when you need to do emergency brakes, you don't need to push all the way down. So that's enough tension for the brakes. And what I've discovered here is that our arm bush here, there's a rubber bush that's always in here, is completely worn out. So that's a possibility. That's a possibility that causing that noise that we are hearing while driving. So zones are okay. I don't see how I can fix that. So I let the professionals do the work. So for the time being, the car will be here until I'm in a position to take it to the mechanic, because it's driving swiftly. Only that kind of sound. And then he'll check the suspension too. He'll check the drive shaft, the steering rack. I think is okay. The steering rack is okay. I changed it, and its rubber bush is okay. So I'm very sure that the mechanic will diagnose our problem. And we seem to have some slight leakage, just light leakage on this pipe here. So some adjustment needs to be done. Just a small leakage, which should not be a big worry right now, but has to be checked, because we don't need to have any brake oil leakage at all. It's not safe at all. Yeah, so that is it. I'm gonna have to take the wheel back and at least wait. The last drive I did, it was rainy, so look at all this mud. Looks dirty in here. Need some good splashing of water, and but that will be done when I take it to the mechanic. Guys, always check your lock nuts. See this lock nut here? Check them. I had to reinforce. There is a day I almost left the wheel on the road, so always confirm. So the lock nut, the original one, is in there, and then I had to lock it from outside with another one, which is safer. We say better safe than sorry. So let's take back our wheel. Let's take back our wheel and wait until we are ready, or we're in a position to fix the issue. When fixing, I'll make sure that I record, if I'll be able to record. So all you need to do is take the wheel back. Yeah. That one will hold it. And another one down here. Across, down, across. Sorry guys, I thought it's something we could fix on our own, but can't fix that right now. We'll have to get the bushes, the rubber bushes, and I just have to let my mechanic do that. them just to hold, just like that. The other one, you have to bring it up here for it to be able to rotate better. See the other one. And the fourth one here. I need to have them hold first and then after that I can bring the wheel down. But before bringing the wheel down, remember what we did here. Reset. And then bring the jack down. Yeah. Just like that. And you're good to go. So always, guys, always remember to tighten. Make sure that they are firmly tight. You start with your hand. Big boy, come here. You wanna help? Wanna help? Wanna help me? So use your hand first. Make sure it's well tightened. Just like that. And then from there, you can apply more force. Just like that, just to be sure. There you go. That's fine. I'm not sure about this one. You try again. Awesome. Awesome. Good stuff. Feels more stable than before. But I'm sure we haven't solved the problem. So be checked by a professional for that matter. We've tried, haven't we? This marks the end of our video. Thank you for always coming back to support. Thank you for the new subscribers. Thank you for the returning subscribers. And thank you for supporting me until monetization. This is it for today. And until next time, adios. God bless. Much love and respect.